Ranking our bedrooms, one out of 10 in the comments, bedroom edition. This is my room. George's bedroom. Instead of table, there's a locker. Wardrobe in it. My room, my bed, my makeup and skincare table. Yeah. And that. And my favorite stuff. And a wardrobe. The garage. Where I played up. Hey, babe. Please, stay. Yeah. Joy. Well, I started one there. I'm starting second today. Yeah. Yeah.